This is an 8,000 watt, 7,000 Kelvin street light. With the 5054 SMD and 74 LED light, the kit provided comes with the solar panel, the hardware, the brackets and angles, the pole to hang on a wall with an instruction guide, a remote control, optional 2 AAA batteries, and the LED solar street panel light system. Inside the unit of the 6-volt 40-watt is a 50,000 milliamp battery to run all day long collecting sun and running all night long showing you light. When hooking up your cables and adding the AAA batteries, the unit will come on and shows you that it is charging from 2 red, 2 blue, and a green 100%. Place in 2 AAA batteries. The remote control has a red button, an on and off, an increase, decrease of light, and the Kelvin lights, automatic 3, 5, and 8-hour timer. Turn the unit on for a test. It is a very bright light. We could dim down in increments, and we could change to a high and different brightness levels. We have automatic, so the light will come on during the evening hours, dusk to dawn. Turn the light on and shut it off. Allow it to charge in the sun for a day or two. We're going to pre-assemble over here and assemble outside on a street pole. We open up the package, take out all the bolts and material, and we're given 4 long bolts, washers, nuts, a right Allen key, and an open end wrench. We take a bolt through the 2 plates, put a washer on, and toss a nut on. And we repeat for the other 3. When we're outside, we'll place on and close up with the other 2. The assembly of the solar panel. Let's take the bar, place it to the side for now, and take the solar panel and place it down. We have a crossbar that we go on over here. With a Phillips screwdriver, optional, place on each of the small bolts and lock down. Before locking down the bracket, slide the cable through and then lock down. With the C-mount, place on. Take the bolt, slide through the center holes, and lock into place. Place on the nut and screw down. Repeat for the opposite side by taking a bolt through the center holes and locking down. With an optional crescent wrench, tighten down. When up on the pole, adjust to the angle, place in the bolt and nut to secure it down to lock into place. For now, we're going to put in the center 90-degree angle and correctly put our nut and bolt in the opposite way. With your larger bolts placed on and through the hole, with the larger nut underneath, secure down, and repeat for the opposite side. With one supplied open wrench, lock down with the optional crescent wrench when above. You have the option to tilt and swivel. Turn around the unit and place on the Allen key, and with a little pipe for help and support, loosen the bolts. With the cable snaked through, slide on and loosen the bolts until it slides all the way to the end. Rotate around and double check if the pole is through. Continue to loosen till it goes through. Slide all the way down and start to lock down. Our demonstration purpose is we're going to take this off and go outside and hang the whole unit up. Connect your cable and leads and adjust, and you're all hooked up. Our demonstration purposes, we take up the solar street panel with the help of a friend or just adjust to the height you need. Lock down. Location of the sun, adjust, angle, remove your bolts to lock into place. Once it's locked down and you're happy, put on your street light by sliding the leads through first, grabbing the lead, and adjusting on. Connect last, lock down first. As the sun is generating power to the solar street light, they come in many different types of wattages from 8,000 and more. Check online for further details if you want a single pack or a double pack of the 8,000 watt, 7,000 Kelvin. From dusk to dawn, simply turn your light on and the light is ready to go. We can hit the light, it shines, we'll go into the automatic mode. When we press the automatic mode, you can see the light lighting up, give you a nice close-up shot. Pressing the auto, we're charging, 100% ready to go. You're a street light. Tennis courts, basketball courts, by the boatyard, in the backyard, front yard, parking lot, on your property, commercial, residential, to light up your area. Put it in the woods where you need to have light to generate and light up the area you're working at. These are solar street lights. We'll show you what it looks like in the evening hours for you and demonstrate the remote control. The OKPRO lights up dusk to dawn. It is a floodlight, a spotlight, no motion sensor. You set it up on auto, comes on when it gets dark, and shuts off when it gets light. On the control, this is the plus. When it reaches a maximum, it'll just dim down a little to tell you. Let's dim it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We hit the auto. It comes on to a moderate light level. We hit the up, it goes to the maximum level. And we hit the down, it goes to a adjustment of a lower level. So we have here is a 3-hour timer. It blinked. After 3 hours, it was shut off, and dusk to dawn, it'll come back on the next night. This is the OKPRO 8000 watt, 7K Kelvin street light. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you are looking for in a lighting system for your barn, your shed, your yard, by the boatyard, in the forest, anywhere you need to put light. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.